Welcome to our in-depth review of Syncee, a powerful platform built for dropshipping enthusiasts and e-commerce professionals. Syncee bridges the gap between your online store and reliable suppliers, providing a comprehensive solution for product sourcing, inventory management, and seamless store integration. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or another platform, Syncee simplifies the process of finding and adding products to your store. At the heart of Syncee is its supplier marketplace, featuring a vast network of verified suppliers offering diverse products in categories such as fashion, electronics, home goods, and more. The platform's intuitive design allows users to search for specific suppliers or explore trending products with ease. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Syncee also stands out with its automated product synchronization, keeping your inventory and prices updated in real time. This ensures accuracy and reduces manual workload, so you can focus on growing your business. Additionally, Syncee's dynamic pricing rules allow you to set custom profit margins and adjust pricing strategies effortlessly. The platform supports automatic order fulfillment, where orders are sent directly to suppliers, streamlining the entire process. Its flexible subscription plans cater to businesses of all sizes, from beginners to seasoned e-commerce sellers. Dive into the features, explore the possibilities, and transform your dropshipping game with Syncee. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button for more insightful reviews.